So I'm on the couch doing some work, and I look over. I've been doing some work for a while, and I look over at this. That was gross, Bella. But look at Bubbles. Huh. What are you doing? You are chillaxing, relaxing like a villain. Chilling like a villain, Bubbles, huh? Bella? This is normal for you. Oh, look at you. Look at you. You roly-poly. Crazy girls. Crazy. Crazy girls. Huh, Belle? Well, now the couch is empty. Hey, look at that. There is the 1 Acre Vegan Farm, enjoying the sun and all the rain that it got the past few days. So, pretty excited about that. And here I am. If you haven't heard already, I love you. If you have a wonderful day, we're enjoying the afternoon, enjoying the weather, getting a lot of important work done, and watching Bubbles and Bella sleep sillily. We'll see ya.